This beautiful girl is Punky. She is a 1-year-old pit bull with such a sweet personality. Punky is a very, very smart girl. She is in our shelter to home program and she is now the star. As you can see, she sits very, very nicely for treats. She also knows down with the hand signal. She knows leave it and she knows do nothing. Just an extremely intelligent dog. She also walks very nicely on a harness. She could use some additional training in her new home, but she is a young dog, so that's pretty typical. She has plenty of that young dog energy. She loves to run around out here. Very curious girl, loves to smell and sniff and explore the world. Likes to watch everything too, very alert and attentive. So she is definitely looking for a home that will spend some time playing with her. Maybe take her for long walks or teach her how to play fetch or frisbee with that toy. As you can see, she seems to really like squeaky toys. She's also very friendly. She'll try and crawl in your lap for some attention and her big tail just wags away. She's become a favorite here at the Humane Society, looking for a loving, fun-loving new home ready for a playful companion. She's going to make someone a terrific new pet.